So the inner tie rod end has been installed, but it's not fully ready yet, but I can still drive it. So I'm going to show you what I've done. Here's the new tie rod end. You can see right there, that's where the other one broke. Here's the outer tie rod end, which I did not replace. So there's the jam nut right there that I went ahead, that's from the original one because they didn't supply a new one. And here's the bellow back here. The only thing that makes it incomplete is this little clamp in the back. It's still loose, and reason why is I don't have a tool for crimping it properly. So I went ahead and ordered the tool. Let's see if I can show you. It's still loose. There's a little piece on there that you have to punch together. I could probably use a pair of vice grips or something, but I figured since I might be doing this on my other cars too, I might as well have the tool since I didn't have it. So aside from that, I can still drive it around my property. I'm not gonna drive it on the road because it's not ready yet because of the body damage. But at least I can now move it around with that. So anyways, tie rod in. You can see this clamp went on without any problems. I adjusted this right here. So I tried to get as close as I could to where originally the other one was. It was like 22 turns, so I just turned this 22 times to try to align. It's not perfectly aligned, obviously. So I'll come over here. I'm gonna turn the wheel. So you see I turn the wheel so you can see. There's the wheel. It turns. So it didn't do that before at all. So we got that. And I'm gonna go all the way out to the left. Turns all the way to the left. There we go. So it's able to turn. So I haven't lowered the car yet, but if I make another video for this, what I'll do is I'll show you, if it doesn't work, it should work. Everything is good now. So we got the lower control arm that's been put on, which had a new ball joint. So it's got a new ball joint, and the inner tie rod end. Like I said, the outer tie rod end actually looks pretty good. It looks like it was probably replaced not too long ago. So it feels like it probably has some grease in it. Unfortunately, no grease fitting under there. So that's it. And once I get that done, if there's anything else up on this, I don't think, except for that clamp, I'm probably not going to make a video for that. I'll just probably crimp that back up when I get the tool. But everything else looks pretty good. All right, there you go. Just a short video. Thanks.